Hey guys, I can't believe it. It's been 12 whole months already since I last made a video, and lots of people on Instagram, the only place I still post, keep asking where are the videos? Well, it's quite simple really. I have been studying for the last 12 months. I'm not sure if you know, but in June of 2016 we had something called Brexit, and that made me reassess where I was going with my career, business, future. And I decided to go more conservative, so I'm going back to work. I love finance, I enjoy finance, so I'm going to go back to finance. And I enjoy property, which I've always done on the side, so I'll focus on that. Anyway, this year I've got my diaries back. And I wanted to tell you how I've used my diaries to be focused this year to help me write 11 exams. 11 exams. 8 accounting exams called ACCA. I think some people who follow me are doing those as well. And 3 for the certificate in treasury, another good qualification. So last year I had 2 planners, a life planner which you use for making your resolutions, and I was seriously stuck to my resolutions. The things I didn't achieve, I realized I actually didn't want to do them anymore, and I actually did more than I planned in terms of exams. And then I had this pretty much daily planner, and if you look at the calendar here, which you use for planning your day-to-day, mine is pretty rinsed out. It's written everywhere. So this is January, and that's pretty much my study plan, which I'd make as I go along, and this helped me keep focused and just achieve what I planned to achieve. And as I went along, there were times where, like, you know what, when I write the exams in September, I'm going to be tired, I'm going to take the rest of the year off, but I'd do the exams and I'd be like, no, I'm not going to give up, I'll do 2 more. And it just went on like that until I'm reaching the end of 2017 thinking, how did I achieve that in addition to my very beautiful daughter? This year, the planner is back. Now, these are not physical planners, they're digital planners, and you print them yourself if you want them printed. I had them printed in A4 last time, and I realized I wanted to take it everywhere. So this time I printed it in A5, and instead of producing 2 planners separately, I've put them all in one. So I've got the business planner you've just seen, now adjusted for 2018. And then I've got a tab, and there's the life planner, which I will be working on towards the end of this week to write out my New Year's resolutions. Why am I telling you all this? Simple. When I posted on Instagram that I've written 11 exams, some people came back and were like, I feel so much more motivated now, Heather. How did you do it? Tell us how you did it. And this diary, planning, thinking ahead, is exactly how I did it. And it's on my website. You can get £10 each, or both for £15, I think, of these planners, digital downloads. And then if you want them printed, you can go, where do you print stuff again? Kinks in America? In England, I use Docs Direct. And when you download the books, there'll be a little thing that you can download that will tell you where you can get them printed. Finally, in fact, not finally, because the final thing is I'll show you my beautiful daughter. This box is back for one last time. The last time you can purchase this box will be 2 January. It's got the usual stuff, 2 conditioners, a moisturizer, and a shampoo. And it's on at a complete knockoff price. So get it if you want it as Christmas presents. Get it now to make sure it gets there on time. If you're not really planning to get it for Christmas, just get it before 2 January. Otherwise, you won't probably see this again next year. And it's come back because lots of people came back to me last time and said, Heather, I didn't get the message that you were selling your last batch, so I decided to do 1 more batch. Anyhow, you haven't met the good husband in a long time. Do you want to come say hello? I will film you now. Come, this way. Here. Do you want to say hello?
Hello, guys.
Yep, you haven't seen him as well in a very, very long time. He's the dad of 2 now, aren't you?
I am.
And yeah, we've been chilling, maxing, relaxing. Not really. I've been working hard. He's been working hard, and we've been having fun with the kids. Today there's snow in London, and we didn't watch any TV. We've just played with our kids all day. That's what we do. We enjoy doing that. Anyhow, I hope you had a fantastic 2017 even, and that your 2018 will be just as productive. Enjoy. And before I go, here's my daughter.
When my touches and breaks for baubles.
But hang on a minute, you're the only one who's broken the bauble today. Does that mean Santa's not going to give you any presents? Because you're the one who's broken the bauble today, not Jocelyn. Do you remember you broke it? You threw it and it broke.
Yeah.
So does that mean by what you've said, that means Chester's not going to get any presents because Santa's writing his list?
No.
No.
I heard him not wanting his list.
Right. So you are going to get presents, are you?
Yeah.
But haven't you been naughty by throwing that bauble and breaking it?
But look, she's touching that present.
Yeah, that's okay. What's wrong with touching a present? You can touch presents, can't you?
Yeah.
But you can't break things.
No.
Have you broken something today?
My Jocelyn hasn't broken things.
No, have you? No, you did. I remember you threw a bauble and it broke. So we've got to tell Santa and all the elves what Chester's done today to see if he's still going to get his presents.
Oh no, that's not allowed.
That's not allowed, is it?
No.
What's not allowed? What's not allowed?
It's not allowed.
What's not allowed?
Not allowed to tell Santa.
Not allowed to tell Santa?
No.
Santa knows though, because he's got his elves watching in every household.
What does that have? What does that have to in a ladybird do?
I don't know. Look, Jocelyn's picked up a bauble.
Oh no!
Do you want to help her put it back on the tree?
Yeah. That's
Oh, that's Chester's toy.
Show Daddy what you just did. Go get that.
Yes, you can.
Yes,
you can.
Yeah, come get that.
Whoa. Whoa.
You can get it.
Oh my gosh, look at her head. It's like following the rattle.
Yes, you can do it. You can do it.
Big.
Uh-huh.
Oh, awesome.
Uh-huh.
Yay! Definitely making progress there.
Look.
Look!
Yes! Yes, Jojo. Well done, baby. Yes, you're the champion.
Yeah, I love it. That's amazing.
You're the champion. I keep up for treasury rolls for you. I said, yeah, please. And then again, I had a nice chat with, I think her name is Emma. Is it?
What? You're jocking me.
I love our church.
You're joshing me.
And then,
Okay, so Jojo. 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 Jojo, hello. Jojo. Hello. So did
that's a pretty decent intro to my daughter. I could go on forever. So why don't I do a lovely long video for you later in the week? For now, see the links below, buy the downloadable diaries and the Queen of Kinks hair products, and we'll catch up later in the week. Bye.